Most contractors think good construction software has to cost hundreds of dollars every month. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, some of the best software for small contractors actually costs under $100 monthly. And for many builders, those lower-cost platforms solve the exact operational problems hurting profitability right now. But here's the problem. Many contractors either buy software that's way too advanced, or stay stuck with spreadsheets and chaos because they assume affordable options are useless. That's a huge mistake. In this video, I'll show you the best construction software options under $100 a month, who each platform is actually best for, the biggest mistake contractors make when choosing cheap software, and how to avoid wasting money on tools your team will never use. And later, I'll show you the hidden feature that matters more than giant feature lists for small contractors. So let's get straight into it. First, let's answer the obvious question. Can construction software under $100 actually be good? Yes. Absolutely. But you need realistic expectations. Affordable construction software usually works best for small builders, remodelers, specialty contractors, and growing teams needing organization more than enterprise complexity. That distinction matters enormously. Now imagine Jake runs a small remodeling company with 3 workers, basic scheduling needs, and constant estimate revisions. He does not need giant enterprise software designed for massive commercial construction firms. He needs organization, communication, and estimating efficiency. That's where affordable platforms can deliver huge value. Now here's where things get interesting. The best low-cost software is usually software your team actually adopts consistently. That's the hidden secret. Many expensive systems fail because crews never use them properly. Now let's discuss some of the strongest categories under $100 monthly. Platforms focused on estimating, scheduling, task management, daily logs, and client communication often fit smaller contractors extremely well. That's where most operational pain exists for growing construction businesses anyway. But here's the problem. Many contractors compare feature counts instead of workflow fit. This is where most people fail. A platform with 50 features you never use is worse than a platform with 10 features solving your biggest daily problems. That mindset shift changes everything. Now in a minute, I'll show you the single smartest way to choose affordable construction software without regretting it later. But first, let's continue. Contractor foreman often gets attention because it includes many features at relatively affordable pricing levels. That appeals strongly to budget-conscious contractors. Job Treat also attracts builders wanting cleaner project workflows and estimating systems without massive enterprise pricing. Then you have simpler project management tools targeting small contractors, field scheduling, and communication workflows. Those can work surprisingly well for lean teams. Now here's where things get interesting again. The biggest software mistake small builders make is buying based on aspiration instead of operational reality. They purchase enterprise-style systems because they want to look professional. But complexity can destroy adoption fast. Now, imagine Alex buys a complicated enterprise platform for a 4-person company. Nobody updates tasks. Crews avoid the app. Office workflows slow down. The software becomes a burden instead of a solution. This happens constantly. Now let's discuss the hidden feature I mentioned earlier. Ease of adoption. This matters more than giant feature lists for small businesses. Because if software feels frustrating, crews stop using it. And once adoption collapses, the system loses value immediately. That's why simplicity often wins for smaller contractors. Now here's another important factor. Mobile usability. Construction happens in the field, not behind desks. Good mobile access matters enormously in 2026. Field crews need quick updates, photos, task tracking, and communication without complicated workflows. That's one reason lightweight systems sometimes outperform bigger platforms operationally. Now here's where things get interesting. Affordable software often creates the biggest ROI for contractors currently stuck in manual chaos. Because even moderate organization improvements can dramatically reduce missed communication, duplicate work, scheduling confusion, and estimate delays. Those hidden operational improvements matter hugely. Now in a minute, I'll show you the smartest way to evaluate construction software before paying for it. But first, let's discuss scaling. Some contractors fear affordable software may become limiting later. That concern can be valid. But here's the smarter approach. Choose software solving your current bottlenecks while leaving reasonable room for growth. Do not overbuy complexity too early. That's the key. Now imagine John manages 5 active projects, basic subcontractor coordination, and residential remodeling work. A lean project management platform may fit perfectly today. If the company triples later, he can reevaluate systems then. That approach often works better than overwhelming teams prematurely. Now, here's another hidden issue. Implementation discipline. Even affordable software fails without process consistency. You still need clear workflows, team accountability, and operational habits. Software supports systems. It does not replace them. That's important to understand. Now let's answer the practical question directly. What should small contractors prioritize under $100 monthly? Usually, ease of use, mobile access, estimating efficiency, communication clarity, and scheduling organization. Those areas create the biggest operational impact for most small builders. Now here's where things get interesting again. The smartest contractors often start with one operational pain point first. Not complete business transformation. Maybe estimating is messy, scheduling causes stress, or communication breaks down constantly. Fixing one major issue can already create huge value. That's the smarter software mindset. Now, before we finish, let's summarize clearly. Construction software under $100 monthly can absolutely deliver strong value in 2026, especially for small builders and growing contractors. But the best option depends heavily on workflow fit, team adoption, and solving real operational problems, instead of chasing giant feature lists. Now here's the biggest takeaway. Affordable software becomes powerful when it reduces chaos consistently every single week. That operational clarity matters far more than flashy dashboards or enterprise branding. So here's the bottom line. Small contractors no longer need massive software budgets to improve organization and workflow management in 2026. The smartest builders choose affordable systems that crews actually use, focus on solving their biggest operational bottlenecks first, and avoid overcomplicating processes too early. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the biggest challenge your construction business is dealing with right now. And if you want, I can also rank the easiest construction software platforms for beginners next.